Hey cat lovers, have you ever met a Savannah cat? These fascinating felines are a unique blend of domestic cat and African serval, giving them an exotic look and a dog-like personality. Let's dive into what makes the Savannah cat so special. First off, size. Savannah cats can grow up to 17 inches tall and weigh between 12 to 25 pounds, depending on their generation. They have long legs, a spotted coat that can be golden or silver, and large upright ears, making them look just like a mini wild cat. But it's not just their looks that are impressive. These cats are highly intelligent, energetic, and incredibly loyal. Believe it or not, they're often compared to dogs in behavior. They're extremely active and playful, so they need lots of space and stimulation. Got a backyard? Perfect! Savannah cats can also be trained to walk on a leash, play fetch, and even perform tricks. Imagine that, a cat that can fetch. They form strong bonds with their owners and might just follow you around the house like a shadow. Now let's talk about their generations. The amount of serval DNA determines their classification. F1 Savannahs have 50% serval DNA. They're the largest and most exotic, but less common. F2s are 25% serval, still large and exotic looking, but more domesticated. F3 to F5 generations are more like regular domestic cats, but still have unique traits. One important thing to note, since Savannah cats are partially wild, ownership is restricted in some places, especially for F1 and F2 generations. So, always check local laws before getting one. Interested in seeing more of these amazing cats or getting tips on their care? Drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome cat and dog content.